Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Jibikeodejimi, and if this is not your first time tuning into my channel, you're also welcome back to this family. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made my bolly and then croaker fish. I hope you guys can see this clearly. So guys, I want to eat my food. Welcome back. That was a very long journey. So where should I start from? The fish or the plantain? Let me start from my fish. I'm just going to eat like that. You're missing. Come and eat. See, at this point in time, I'm not going to use this thing again. I'm going to use my hand. Bolly is properly eating with the hand. So, this is perfect. After eating this, I'll just sleep. I maybe wake up tomorrow. People should come and join me. Guys, no. Please wait. Calm down. You people line up. No, these are either you stay, you line up and let them see you on the video.
Because of body.
I'm not going to cut this video. Jay, you know chop. No! Oh, this video is going to stay there till I finish this thing. Are you eating or not? Wait.
I never showed you.
No, you put in your hand.
Yeah, now it's me. Because this is I'm not sure.
Have I given you before? Both is now.
Mama, she